And I'm surprised that there's as many aircraft as there are, because the visibility was rather low this morning. But be that as it may, there's FFXZ, and there's QPW. I think that's Smith's, if I'm not mistaken. Mike and Jamie Smith. I'm not certain of that though. The QWZ, I don't know who that is. It's a nice looking plane, huh? Beauty. And then we have the GGYG. No clue who that is. But anyway, they flew in. They had no transportation, so they borrowed a vehicle from the Bridges family and drove over to who knows where. They probably went over to Carmen's Diner or to Tim Hortons, one or the other. This is Rudy's plane, I'm pretty sure, the FBJS. Anyway, they'll probably be back soon. Pat over there, he's opening up the hangar for the club plane. They just put a lot of money into that aircraft, and no one has flown it. Oh, there's Bill. Bill is still here.